Okay guys, you know I always gotta start out the videos with the things I spot out on the freeways and on the road, and today I got something quite special. It's nothing specifically exotic, especially by any means, but it is probably the coolest piece of junk car that I've ever seen. Look at this thing right here. Now, if any of you are specific moviegoers, you would know that that car could possibly be alive and maybe transform into a Bumblebee robot. That is literally, I've never seen a more precise, exact Camaro in that generation on the road, in that condition, just like the one in the first movie. Oh my. It's freaking identical. Literally the stripes, the fade, and everything. I can't get over this. He probably must get compliments all the time saying that he has the Bumblebee first car. Now, when you have a lot of cars, you tend to find yourself bored at the gas station a lot, and that is why I resort to good old Need for Speed No Limits. Thanks to today's sponsor, EA. Now, you guys can download Need for Speed No Limits on iOS or Android and rule the underground in the first white knuckle edition of Need for Speed made for mobile. You guys can customize extreme rides and stock your garage with all of the real-life dream cars that you've always wanted, with manufacturers and the likes of Bugatti, Lamborghini, McLaren, Pagani, Hennessy, so many more, with 2.5 million full custom creations. Race to win by steering onto the streets of Black Ridge, accelerate over jumps around debris, into traffic, against walls, and through high-speed nitro zones. Burn rubber in over 1,000 challenging races. What are you guys waiting for? Go click the links in the description below and join me on this beautiful game. I'm gonna be busy playing this. I'm gonna catch you guys later. So we got the full parking lot. Where are you gonna park?
Right next to my brethren.
I expect nothing less.
From Stuttgart.
What's wrong with it?
I think I must have left the engine at the shop, dude.
Oh my god.
I have to go back and
freaking hanging out with Porsche guys. Do you like Tim's new UltraMotive merch?
I like it.
No, you know what's funny? He's still got the tag on the shorts.
Oh, I do?
Yeah.
Oh, I just robbed the freaking UltraMotive shorts?
Yeah, we got shorts now.
What?
But it's, I should just not tell you. You should just go
I know. You should just,
you're about
like,
to go throughout your entire day
I'll
with the tag on.
Yeah, walking out tagged up. Bro, come look at your gas cap, mate.
Wait, is it not even? Oh.
No, it's not. The clips are just out. Oh, so it's just hanging by this thing.
If you fucked it up, you're dead, man.
What's going on here? Dude, that's not gonna stay.
It was just chilling like that.
Why you gotta be a motherfucker?
It was just chilling like that.
No, definitely not.
Dude, it just was.
It literally was.
2 hours later.
Just E46 owner things.
Timothy?
I did not touch it.
You totally touched it.
I think because the car's locked, it's not like flashing.
I don't think locking a car has to do with
I mean,
the
it locks
gas
the gas
cap.
cap though.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh!
Get out of here.
He fixed it. He's a full mechanic, guys. He fixed his gas cap.
So I unfix it? No gas cap. There we go.
He got the fresh cut.
Snip, snip. Same with him.
Full dappered up. The fit and the hair. I have a task for everyone watching this video. If you have a WRX STI, go outside and make sure your wing is still on your car, because this guy might have stolen it off your Subaru. He jacked the STI wing and slapped it on the Corolla right there.
I'm gonna park next to it.
What a... Oh, we're posting up with the
posting
STI
up there,
wing, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
He can sit with us.
Oh, what a glorious wing. That thing's about to take off. Oh, you just had to put the wing up to go along with him. Dude, I'm sorry. I don't think this is on this level.
Dude, I know. He's got me beat, man.
He really does.
Blue exhaust tip, too, dude.
Oh, okay. Let's see. He got a Tomei down here. Oh, I think it's an exhaust.
Yeah.
It's not just the tip. Bro. That's scary. You know it's bad when it's got the chute in the back. He's got the parachute. Look at that tire profile. That is. Look at the front. Even the fronts are cooking too. Yeah. Oh my gosh, there's another one. Dude, this one has a chute in the back as well. What the hell?
There's 2 of them, bro. What?
What the hell?
Look at the tire. Look at the rubber on the back of that. Look at all the rubber back there, dude.
We gotta go give him another thumbs up.
I know, right? Let's do it, yeah.
Yellow on yellow.
Yeah!
I want to say we're at the world's prettiest car meet right now. Take a look at this venue. We got cars rolling in right here. All sorts of different cars too. Everything from this Volvo 240, I believe, to the Honda, the Vet. We got my car posted back here. I mean, it's amazing how we're fitting all these cars in this lot. But right beyond here, look at this view. This is literally the best of the best that you could get from Washington. James is missing out because this is the most views on views that I've ever seen. Now I'm sure parking lots have capacity limits, and I think we've officially gone way beyond our limit. The main parking is supposed to be just along that row, and everything is stacked like 3 cars deeper than what it needs to be. Let's go see. We got some gems up in here. We got Stanced Miata, good old lizard green on the 3RS. This is probably the most expensive car here, frankly. We gotta do a taste check real quick because this car is flawless. It's on ABT, however you wanna say it. Wheels, carbon front lip. Everything about this. This is one of the most perfect spec RS5s. Everything in the room around you and listen to the beautiful FI exhaust on the R8 V10. We're about to hit a canyon road tunnel. It doesn't get much better than this. Put her down in second and hear her scream. My God. I always say the interior of this car detonates the sound so well that I often forget how actually loud the FI exhaust is. But when you go through a tunnel like that and you hear the noise coming out of the back of the car bounce back into your ears off the walls and off the tunnel, then you get a true reminder that this thing is not quiet by any means. All these cylinders, and the loudest car here is freaking this thing over here. Side exit, everything. You're the loudest one here.
Yeah.
Just straight side exit. Sounds good though. So I just got delivered probably the most expensive 2 packages in car parts ever. Oh, Zilla's already super excited. But without further ado, you guys can see the logo right here. And you guys can clearly, you already know what car this is for. We're gonna embark on unboxing this thing.
Oh no.
She can't play with the unboxing knife. No, no, no. So we're gonna unbox these 2 things and kind of give you guys a glance of what is in here. They make these things so secure. I never know how to like really tackle these boxes when it comes to just completely ripping them open. I guess just, yeah, that works. Now I will say one thing, they're big, but they're super light. Oh, I think
that is definitely the wing. That's the wing.
No, no. You want to bet it's the wing?
It's the, oh, it has to be. This has
No.
to be the wing.
I bet that this is...
That's the wing.
Oh yeah, it might be the wing. From this angle, it looks almost too curved.
It's definitely the wing, yeah.
Yeah, actually, you might be right, because the freaking, yeah, the wing mounting points are the things that are protruding.
I called those winglets. Oh my god, I'm dumb. This has to be the winglet.
I bet. I thought this could have been the front lip, just because it's so curved, but I think you are right. JackUltraMotive is proven wrong. How do you even get this out? I just go,
No! It's like Christmas. I feel like the dad that like, hold up your present, let me take a picture.
yeah, I mean, it's expensive Christmas presents. I won't lie about that. Wow. Holy crap. So, this is a wing mechanism, an OEM, I believe this is literally in already just an OEM Audi part in itself that I basically need to mount that wing on.
I'm trying very hard.
Hey, they packaged it up well.
Is there a mask in here? It comes with a mask.
What?
There's a Vorsteiner mask in here.
Let's go!
Yo.
You got the Vorsteiner mask? Oh, you already know I'm running this only. This gotta stay in the car. Ah, yes. Yes, there's two pieces in here. So we literally have the full kit in these two boxes. The entire kit. Dustin, you're right. That's definitely a wing. This is definitely a front lip. And then, behold, the biggest, girthiest piece of them all. You guys can't tell it all, but this is a freaking diffuser. And that completes all three stages of our full Audi Vorsteiner kit. Oh my god. It's so light, but it's so beautiful. Dude, it's thick too. This is like a freaking table and a half. Well, there you go.
Oh, come on.
Roll.
Oh. So this stuff was arranged like almost close to when I first got the car. So like that was way back in May. I don't even want to know how many months ago that was. And then they didn't have any in stock, so they basically made this to order all for us here. And it took about, you know, it's expected to be around 8 weeks of manufacturing, which, you know, took a little bit longer than that. And granted, with all that time gone, I actually kind of like forgot about all this, and the feeling of it all just kind of drained away a little bit. But now the feeling, seeing them all here, seeing these parts here, the feeling is back, and I am freaking stoked. Like, I'm so excited to complete the R8 with this stuff. This is literally, you guys have been asking. I see all the comments saying we need a big wing on the car, and this is the perfect, like, scale of OEM style, but pretty girthy in size. Literally the nicest front lip ever. This is real carbon right here. This is gonna hurt if this doesn't survive on the car someday. We'll add it to the collection of spares. Literally my favorite R8 wing of all time. This is so freaking sick. It'll kind of sit something like that. Dude, it's so surreal to see it on my car. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be freaking wild. So this goes on top like this. I don't have the Plus model, which the Plus models come with their little wing, and mine just doesn't have one at all. I basically need an OEM Audi piece to, I guess, replace or go under here so that it could support a big wing on top and make sure the wing wouldn't fly off at any stance. So that's what this is. This is actually super expensive. Made in Germany.
So is there technically already one of those in there right now? Or is that like a spare?
This is different because I believe the one that's in there right now doesn't have mounting points like this to support a wing. The one in there probably doesn't have these plates on either side. So that's what I believe is different about this piece than the OEM Audi one. R8s always look too bubbly, like without anything behind it, so adding this like extra aero balances out the car a little more and makes it look even more aggressive and Lamborghini-like in that kind of way. Time to freaking message German Auto House ASAP. Be like, when is installed? I want installed, because I can't do this myself. Hell no.
Yeah, you fucked that up. That's expensive.
I mean, he does have an exhaust on there.
I know, right?
You have an added passenger. He's holding on for dear life.
Should we do launch control?
Possibly. That might do it.
Launch control him off.
The funniest thing is that he probably assumes this is one big yellow flower.
Oh, he's gone.
Oh, that was fast.
Dang it, I was hoping to do launch control off him. Oh, it's literally just me.
It's a red friend over there, yeah.
Hello, darling.
That's probably where the fly went.
Off to his next flower.
Yeah,
Cheating
to-
on me, man.
To his
Dang.
next bright red flower.
He'd be holing around with these Porsches.